For those looking for a powerful and compact computer that won't break the bank, the Apple Mac Mini is the best choice available. The Mac Mini has dominated the mini PC market since getting Apple's M series chips, and the latest version with the new M4 chip solidifies its lead. At the heart of this machine is the M4, Apple's latest custom chip. Think of it as a complete computer system, a processor, graphics, and an AI engine, all fused together on a single piece of silicon. They share a single, ultra-fast pool of memory, which means the chip doesn't waste time copying data back and forth. This unified design is the secret to its incredible speed and efficiency. In real-world terms, the M4 is a monster, performing up to 2 times faster than the already speedy M2 Mac Mini. So web pages, apps, and files open instantly. For creative professionals, the M4 truly shines, rendering 4K video projects up to 5 times faster than a high-end Windows laptop. Editing large batches of photos in Adobe Lightroom is seamless, with zero lag. Even for developers, compiling code is up to 40% faster than on the previous generation, saving valuable time. The M4 Mac Mini handles demanding work like professional video editing with ease, and thanks to its brilliant cooling system, the fan rarely even spins up, making it completely silent for most of your work. For as the star, the Mac Mini excels in other areas too. During our testing, we used it for all our daily office work, web browse, and administrative tasks, and it performed perfectly. Even when editing 4K video in Adobe Premiere Pro, the machine remained whisper quiet and never missed a beat. While it's not built to be a dedicated gaming PC, it handles titles from Apple Arcade beautifully and provides a surprisingly capable gaming experience for many popular games. Apple's new AI features, known as Apple Intelligence, are built in, making things like the enhanced Siri and system-wide writing tools feel snappy. While it's very competent, it feels more like a solid foundation than a revolutionary leap, something that will surely grow more powerful with future updates. Furthermore, with 16 gigabytes of unified memory, Apple's Mac OS is so efficient that it feels like you have much more, seamlessly handling dozens of browser tabs, multiple apps, and heavy background processes without slowing down. For its combination of blazing fast performance, silent operation, and compact design, the M4 Mac Mini stands in a class of its own. It redefines what you can expect from a small desktop computer, making it the undisputed champion for almost everyone. Moving on. Following a comprehensive review, we determined the M5 Plus from GMK-Tek is an economical mini PC with numerous positives and very few negatives for its price. It is offered in various configurations, from inexpensive barebones units to a complete mini desktop that runs Windows 11 Pro and features an AMD Ryzen 7. The AMD Ryzen 7 processor is built on the mature and stable Zen 2 architecture, offering 8 cores and 16 threads. This high core count is exceptional for its price point and makes it ideal for running multiple applications or services simultaneously, a key reason for its popularity in home server setups. We were impressed by how simple it is to open the device and access its internals. The case's top can be easily detached, and the 4 screws securing everything are in plain sight, unlike some others we have tested. For anyone accustomed to building PCs, upgrading the RAM and storage and rebooting will take no more than 10 minutes. Overall performance was excellent. The unit was practically silent, though the fans began to activate when we switched to performance mode. This isn't for gamers or power users, but for general office tasks, server duties, presentations, and running firewalls, it checks most of the necessary boxes. The GeekCom AX8 Max is the perfect choice for a Windows user who wants a single, compact computer to do everything well without making any major sacrifices. It's designed to be a true all-rounder, powerful enough for demanding work, creative projects, and even some serious gaming. It comes loaded with powerful components right out of the box, so you don't have to worry about it feeling slow or outdated anytime soon. It's also built around a powerful AMD Ryzen 7 processor with 8 separate cores. Think of these cores like individual brains, allowing the computer to handle many demanding tasks all at the same time without getting overwhelmed. This is why it feels so fast and responsive, whether you're editing video, working on a complex spreadsheet, or running multiple applications at once. It also features a dedicated Ryzen AI engine, an NPU capable of performing 16 trillion operations per second, specifically designed to power future artificial intelligence functionalities like running local ChatGPT-type LLMs, so that you can run AI text queries or generate AI images without internet. It ships with a huge 32 gigabytes of fast memory and a massive 2 terabyte storage drive, so you can have tons of programs open and you'll have plenty of space for all your files. What makes this computer special is its surprisingly good built-in graphics. It's powerful enough to let you play popular modern games like Baldur's Gate 3 smoothly at good settings. You won't need to buy a separate gaming PC for casual play, which is a huge benefit for a machine this small. Next up, we have the AtomMan G7 PT. This machine is a monster. In terms of performance, it beats everything on our list, but it costs almost 2 times the Apple Mac Mini base model. It boasts the top-tier AMD Ryzen 9 processor with the AMD Radeon RX 7600M graphics card and 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. This is a dream machine. It can do everything you can imagine and more. It can edit 4K video footage while playing YouTube videos in the background. It can run 100+ browser tabs with ease. Yeah, this is a beast. While most mini PCs struggle with modern video games, the AtomMan G7 PT is built specifically for that challenge. This is a machine designed for serious gaming. You You can play beautiful, demanding titles like Cyberpunk 2077 or fast-paced fighting games like Tekken 8 smoothly, without the stuttering or low-quality graphics you'd get on a typical small computer. The secret is that it has its own separate and powerful graphics card inside, complete with its own dedicated memory. This is something usually only found in large desktop towers, and it's what allows this mini PC to handle intense graphics and lets you enjoy your games looking their best. Of course, it's not just for playing. When it's time to work, this machine is a powerhouse. It handles all the usual Microsoft Office tasks effortlessly, and is more than capable of running demanding creative software like Adobe Photoshop and Premiere Pro for video and photo editing. It comes with a generous 32 gigabytes of fast RAM, which means you can easily multitask, keeping a game, a web browser with many tabs, and other applications open at the same time without your system slowing down. To pack this much power into such a small box, there are a couple of practical trade-offs. It requires a large external power brick, much like a gaming laptop, and the fans will work hard to keep it cool during intense gaming so it won't be silent. Also, with the size of modern games, its internal storage can fill up quickly. It's a good idea to connect a fast external storage drive to hold your game library, which is a simple plug-and-play solution. For those who prioritize buying from a trusted brand like Dell, here's a deal that's almost too good to pass up. The OptiPlex 7020 Micro is a business-class powerhouse currently available at a massive discount, making it an incredible value. We've linked to the special price in the description below. It's a true performance monster, a 14th Gen Intel Core i7 processor with a staggering 20 cores, paired with 32 gigabytes of fast DDR5 RAM and a large 1 terabyte storage drive. This combination is built for extreme multitasking, effortlessly handling demanding business software, complex analytics, and heavy creative workloads without slowing down. Finally, let's discuss our overall favorite budget option, the Beelink SER5 Max. At $300, it is an absolute steal. Under the hood, it has a modern and very capable 8-core AMD Ryzen 7 processor that can handle demanding work with ease. It comes loaded with a massive 32 gigabytes of the latest super-fast LPDDR5 memory, which lets you run dozens of browser tabs, streaming apps, and complex programs all at once without a hint of slowdown. The storage is also top-notch, a fast PCIe 4.0 SSD that makes the computer boot in seconds and load applications instantly. Unlike most affordable computers, this machine has surprisingly powerful graphics built right into the chip. However, don't expect to edit 4K footage on it or play the latest games. The graphics card is still limited. Although this device is amazing for all other tasks, it's not built for advanced gaming or video editing. That's all for today. See you in the next one.